This is Jason Wiegand again with Contented Wealth, and I just wanted to remind you that it's tax season. Many of you probably have already gotten your W-2s and are ready to go, and I want to help you. 7 out of 10 Americans qualify for free tax filing. Did you know that? All you have to do is go to irs.gov, and there's a little link you can click on to file your taxes for free. I'm going to take the glasses off. And they'll help you, just kind of walk you through the different websites that can help you to file for free. One thing I need to add is that when you do this, sometimes you have to kind of read close, because they're going to try to upsell you on things that you don't need whenever you sign up for these services. So you're just going to be kind of looking in the upper right hand corner or left hand corner or down below in the corner somewhere. You're going to see something that says no thanks or an X, because honestly, it's free. The government requires it to be free for people that make less than $72,000. I'm also going to add a link to this post for those of you who make less than $57,000 or are elderly. You'll actually qualify to have an actual IRS professional assist you with filing your taxes. Something I encourage you to take advantage of. In fact, it's really simple. While I'm playing this video, hopefully you would have seen a demonstration of how simple it is to use the locator to find a professional to assist you. So hopefully with this tax season, you can use this bit of advice to put some money in your pocket, and especially if you hadn't got your COVID package yet from either the first round of stimulus or the second round of stimulus, filing your taxes even at zero filing can help you. In the long run, you'll be able to reclaim that stimulus that belongs to you to begin with. So you can have that for money. And so once you get that return, please feel free to reach out to me through private message. I'm more than happy to meet with you, look at your finances, and help you work towards building wealth. God bless. The only true contented wealth is a relationship with Jesus Christ.